Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a very fluffy tutu. All you need is a very few items and you don't have to sew. It's very easy and it's actually kind of pretty fast to make it as well. I'm not going to talk too much, I'm going to get straight to the point. This is for like a first birthday tutu. The size of this is perfect for a 1-year-old birthday. I do have a video up of this tutu. It's pretty fluffy. So 75 yards versus 100 yards. And yeah, this has been like in my closet just stuffed, but you could tell the difference between fluffiness. This looks like a poof ball. Okay, and these are the tools that you will need to use. You need a ruler, scissors, something to write with, and then the supplies you would need are 100 yards of tulle by 6 inches, stretchy waistband, and a piece of cardboard. Okay, real quick before I start making the tutu, I got this roll on Amazon, and in the description below I have the link posted up. This is 100 yards, and I have not seen 100 yards of rolls in stores, like all the craft stores that I go to. I haven't, but I did see these, and these are 25 yards. So if you need 100 yards, you're gonna need 4 of these. And I know they carry them on Walmart, Joann's fabric store, Michael's craft store, and I believe Hobby Lobby as well. So 4 of these equals 1 of these. And the waistband, this is a baby headbands. That's what it is. You could use lots of things as long as it's stretchy. If you're making it for your little one, honestly, you could use a ribbon, or like if you have a ribbon at home or something and you don't want to go buy a waistband, because you could measure your baby's waist. But if you're making it for someone else and you're not measuring a person, then it's better to get stretchy, because then, like, let's say this is the waist that you made, and because it's stretchy, I mean, it could fit a variety of size, you know? Okay, I'm gonna begin by getting my ruler, and I'm not gonna measure a waist, so I went on Pinterest and I looked up the standard measurements. For this video, I did do waist size 16 inches and the length of the tutu 6 inches. First, I'm going to get my ruler and the elastic waistband. I'm going to mark 16 inches. This is where I marked, but I am going to leave 2 inches on each side. And now I'm going to tie it, and I'm going to use my markings kind of like where I need to stop. It's always good to make it a little bit bigger, because if anything, if you want to tighten, you could always cut it and tie it tighter. Then I'm going to get my cardboard. So the tutu, I want it to be 6 inches. That's the length of the tutu. So on here, I am going to mark 2 inches more. So it will be 8 inches. It doesn't matter how wide that cardboard is, but I find it easier to be basically as wide as this. If it's too skinny, it's going to be hard to work with, and if it's too wide, it might be kind of annoying to work with. Anyway. You're going to place it over and flip it over. And as you can see, this is a tool, but I am basically rolling it onto the cardboard. Another way to do it is just go like this. Actually, this is kind of faster. Okay, I am going to stop halfway, and I'm going to get my scissors and only cut one side. So this is 8 inches for a 6-inch tutu, but the strips are going to be 16 inches. and I'm gonna do this again until the whole roll is finished. I timed myself how long it took me to roll on here, and it just took me 6 minutes, which is honestly not bad at all. And here's the end result. So for me, the easiest and the fastest way to do it is to literally put it on your leg. I mean, it might be kind of funny, but I found this to be literally the best way to do it. So this is my pile, and I am going to get 2 pieces of tulle fabric. Okay, here's 2 pieces of my tulle, so I just kind of go like this. And then I put it through, and then I just tie it. And 1 more knot, so double knot. And when I do the second knot, I kind of just hold this and then really tighten it, and that's it. This part is going to be a little longer than this because when you place it over, it covers more. Oh my gosh, close up of my legs, oh boy. I leave it kind of loose, I guess, so the waistband is not going to be like this. And this is why when I tie it again, I just kind of hold it with my fingers, and then I really like pull on it, and then the knot becomes small and really tight instead of like super bulky. So about 42 minutes, but I'm thinking maybe like half an hour, just because I was like watching a movie at the same time, so sometimes I was kind of, you know, taking it slow. But yeah, and just kind of flatten it. This is like my favorite part. Tutu I made in the other video, and I only used 75 yards of it, and as you could see, it's like it's pretty messed up. And this is what it will actually like end up looking after a child will wear the tutu, because I mean they crawl and they move around so much, it's not gonna look all perfect and straight. And then I always see people take pictures and it looks like this, like, and I'm like, I mean, if this is the look you're going for, that's cool, but to make it all better, you're gonna have to like shake it, and if they have it on, just brush it with your finger. It will make it look like much better and still kind of like cute. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click that little bell thing to turn on your notifications so you know when I post a new video. Also, if you have any questions, comment below and I try to answer all your questions. You could also reach out to me on my website www.zhannastar.com, where I sell my items that I make, and also where I sell little custom things. Check it out, it's really cute. Or you could reach me on my Instagram. My handle is Zhannastar. I do reply on there the fastest. Also, if you use my tutorials to make anything, tag me in it. I would love to see, like, I would love to see you guys' projects and stuff. All right, bye.